What if the Android emulator you've been using for years was accused of exposing user data? A recent discussion on Reddit gained significant attention after users raised concerns about data collection and privacy practices involving a popular Android emulator. For millions of gamers, this raises an important question. How safe is your emulator? And if security matters, is there a better alternative? Today, we'll break down what every gamer should know and why many users are switching to BlueStacks. An Android emulator isn't just a game launcher. It's software with deep access to your PC. Gamers connect Google accounts, game accounts, social media accounts, and payment methods to their emulator. That's why choosing a reliable emulator is just as important as choosing a fast one. This is where BlueStacks enters the picture. BlueStacks has been one of the most established Android emulators for years and is used by millions of gamers worldwide. The platform focuses not only on performance but also on stability, regular updates, account protection, and user security. And also, it contains some advanced features, which are more than enough for a gamer. Now, first, let's see how can you install it on your PC. After that, we will explore its features. First, go to official website of BlueStacks. You can also find its link in description or in first comment. Here, simply click on the download button, and its setup file will start downloading. Once downloaded, right-click on the setup file and open it. Then simply start the installation. And wait for the required Android files to download. Depending on your internet and PC speed, it will take some time. Once done, the emulator will open automatically for the first time. And that's it. Within a few minutes, you'll have access to the Android environment directly on your PC. First, let's open our Google Play Store and sign in with our Google account so we can download and install our favorite apps and games. BlueStacks lets you securely sign in with your Google account, just like on a regular Android phone. Your login credentials are handled directly through Google's official sign-in system, helping keep your account private and protected. After signing in, go to Play Store and download and install any app or game to test speed of BlueStacks emulator. Now, while our game is downloading, let's explore some features of BlueStacks that take Android gaming to the next level. Now let's take a look at some of the settings and features BlueStacks offers. First, we have the Performance tab. Here you can choose how many CPU cores and how much RAM you want to allocate to the emulator, allowing you to balance performance based on your PC's capabilities. Next is the Display tab, where you can adjust the screen resolution, DPI, and other display settings to get the best viewing experience. Then we have the Graphics section. Here, you can switch between different graphics renderers and tweak graphical settings to improve compatibility and performance for different games and apps. There are also several other settings tabs available, which you can explore to further customize your experience. Now, if we go back to the main interface, you'll notice a variety of useful tools on the right-hand side. First, we have game controls. BlueStacks comes with preset controls for many popular games, but you can also customize them however you like. To customize controls, simply click on the control editor. From there, you can click any on-screen button and assign it to any keyboard key or controller button you want. BlueStacks also includes advanced control options that aren't available in many other Android emulators. Next, we have the option to install APK files directly from your PC. So if you already have an APK downloaded, you can install it with just a few clicks. There's also a built-in screen recorder, which makes it easy to record your gameplay tutorials or app demonstrations without needing additional software. We also have Eco Mode. This feature reduces CPU and GPU usage by lowering emulator performance when full power isn't needed. And finally, there's the screen rotation option. With a single click, you can switch between portrait and landscape mode, which is particularly useful for apps and games that are designed for a specific screen orientation. The recent discussions surrounding Android emulator privacy have reminded gamers of something important. Performance matters, but trust matters too. Before installing any emulator, always research the platform, read user feedback. If you're looking for a well-known emulator with a long track record and better performance with security, then BlueStacks is certainly one option worth considering. And as always, protecting your account today is much easier than recovering it tomorrow.